Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to these parameters. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers and who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. You can check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design professional certification course by Chegg Skills, and it's a 6 to 7 week months course and 5 to 10 hours per week duration is there. And this is the overview about the UI UX. Unlock the job opportunities in UX UI, and they have mentioned like average monthly job posting is 10,000 and entry level salary is $96,000, and it is depend on the capability of the students that how he or she can crack the interview. And this is the important part, like the curriculum of the course. Fundamental is there, users knowledge is there, visual design is there, present your final design is there, put your design test, project is also there, and again testimonials, FAQs, other courses. Like they are lacking with the proper detailing in terms of UI UX, as they have mentioned already, like fundamentals, user detailing, visual design, but not a proper detailing so that a student can get an idea that what he can learn in terms of the course when he or she will start learning this course. Also, no knowledge about the tools, and it's not a AI-oriented course, especially, and it's not a future-oriented course anymore because it didn't involve AI, and also no placement option is there. They have not mentioned any placement option, like they will provide placement, mentor support, and all. Overall, the UI of this page is looking nice, but it can be improved. But the overall colors, minimal colors they have used, which is nice here. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, like curriculum is not up to the mark, so it's a 0.5 for me. User research and fundamental is also 0.5 for me. UI design quality is also 0.5 for me. Hand-on project case study is not up to the mark, so it's 0.5 for me. Tools and software training is not there. Mentorship and feedback is not there. Portfolio development is there, so it's a 0.5 for me. Placement and career support is not there. Course values fees is 0.5 for me because it's not a up to the mark course as comparing with other courses in the market, and it's not a future oriented course, so it's 0.5 for me. Industry relevance update is also 0.5 for me. If I count a total, it's a 3.5 out of 10, and it's a below average course. Like I will not recommend this course because there are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters in terms of fundamentals, in terms of mentorship and feedback, tools, software training, and placement and career support. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation, which covers all the parameters and have a 10 out of 10 rating, and also help you in get a high paying job, and help you in placement and career support, and help you in terms of building a portfolio in terms of UI UX. So that will definitely help you. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. Thank you.